Moving on to our next rose or gentleman, that would be JV Despapiladeras. Thank you so much, Sir Fermin. The Manugang of Tailoring, JV, Sir JV. Moving on to our next rehearsal dance for Naldaring, that would be Malvin Sibel